When we first moved to our property, we knew we wanted to use some of the land for pasture, but we didn't really know what that pasture exactly looked like because it was so overgrown. So our neighbor helped us bushwhack everything down so we could better assess the land. We then needed to get to know what plants we had growing. So we contacted our local county agent who was able to help identify what we needed as well as administer a soil test. This soil test is a crucial step for understanding how to manage the pasture. With the soil test results, we were able to identify that our pH was very acidic and very low to grow most pasture grasses and other forage for our goats. And so we would need to amend it with lime. We needed to raise the pH. To raise the pH, you need to apply either wood ash or lime. If it's a small space, then you should be able to go to the local garden center and find some lime and apply it accordingly. We were lucky to find a local farmer that could apply it for larger spaces. If you need to lower the pH and make it more acidic, then apply compost annually. This is very important to do because it doesn't matter what fertilizer you use. None of those nutrients will become available to your plants unless the pH is right for that plant. We had very acidic soil, which is ideal for growing things like blueberries, azaleas, gardenias. If you're trying to change the pH of your soil, it's best to apply your product a minimum of 6 months before planting.